Project number 2.
Hello everyone. In this project, we like to write a PLC program to show the transition from a star to delta configuration in a three-phase motor based on the following conditions. Upon pressing a start push button, a star and main outputs activate simultaneously. After a 6-second delay, a star output deactivates and delta output engages. The motor runs in delta configuration thereafter. Pressing a stop push button shuts off all the outputs. If the stop push button is depressed during the 6-second period, all three outputs must be deactivated simultaneously. For safety's sake, both the star and delta outputs cannot be turned on at the same time.
In this video, I show you how the project code runs on Schematic Manager and then show its modified version using ISPsoft and ComGR for Delta PLC. Note that the full Delta PLC code is included as part of the second project in a series of 6 Delta PLC projects. Now let's go and see how the solution of the project functions using Schematic Manager software.
Right now, program is not running, so let's go ahead and click on Run Program icon and also click on eyeglasses to monitor the execution of the program. All right.
Right now program is running and you'll notice that here, and these are all my blocks. I have only 4 networks, 4 lines of codes,
And motor is off.
so I come here and this is my start button.
I tap on it.
You see that coil main and star are on first, and then the star turns off and main and delta turn on, and motor is right now running, and unless I tap on a stop button is gonna continue running. So I go ahead and turn it off.
As soon as I tap on the stop button, notice that 2 remaining contactors, delta and main, become deactivated as well.
I go ahead and turn it on again. I start the motor, but before that we had a condition, and that condition was if during the 6-second time period I tap on a stop button,
Main and the delta contactors are going to be deactivated right away.
so I go ahead turn it on, but before at end of the 6 seconds I'm gonna go turn off. So I start here and I tap on this. Notice that all right. So I tested all the conditions.
I go ahead and do the test again. As you see, program is being executed, and I go ahead and tap on a start push button.
After 6 seconds This is going to turn off, and delta and main contactors are on. Motor is running on delta configuration. So I go ahead and stop it. As soon as the stop button is depressed, motor turns off. Now, one more condition was, if before end of the 6 seconds I tap on a stop button, these two contactors are going to turn off, and delta contactor is not going to be turned on at all. So I go ahead test this. So I come here, start it, and now here I go ahead and stop it. Notice that as soon as tapped on the stop button, the motor is turned off. The two contactors, the star and main, turned off right away, and therefore we have all three contactors deactivated. Now let's watch the solution for the same PLC program using ISP Soft and ComGR software. In this video, I showed you how to successfully test the project code on a virtual Delta PLC. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.